Welcome from HFT Solution. Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see trades copied from TradingView to Interactive Broker with risk management. Let's first go to the TradingView. This is a sample strategy which we created there, and here we define the buy and sell condition and give a name to alert. This is a simple strategy based on a simple moving average. In case you are using close source strategy, we can use it there as well, since we can see those alert condition in alert section. Let's add this to our current chart. Now let's go to Alerts section and create an alert. In Condition, select our strategy name, then it would populate all the alert condition names in the next drop down, and there we select our buy condition. This buy and sell comes from alert name which we defined in our strategy. In the message box, enter direction, limit price. In this case we are going to put buy as direction and then close price. This close price is going to be the limit price for order. We can also put open, high or low. Now you can see alert is going to triggered. Now we can see limit trade has been placed, and once that gets filled we can see take profit and trail stop loss trade placed. This take profit and stop loss can be managed from setting. You can either choose to only take profit or stop loss, or mark it on close or all order to place after entry trade gets filled. I would explain all these later in settings. We can define alert based on some condition as well, like if volume is greater than some X value then close position. So it would be same as strategy. This time we would be only selecting symbol instead of strategy and condition. We create alert for multiple symbol and don't need to open all the charts for trading, so there could be 3 direction. Buy to add long position or close short position. Sell to short or close long position. Close to close long or short position if have any. It would not place any new trade if no position is already there. Now we would see how we can take entry as market order instead of limit order. Go to setting and changing order type as market and save. Now let's edit alert in TradingView and remove limit price from message box in TradingView, only keep direction. Since market order don't require price, we can see market order is going. Once market order fills we can see our take profit and stop loss order according to the setting defined on the settings screen. Let's see how to do risk management settings. Open URL in any browser http://127.0.0.1 to 5000/settings URL. It will open a settings page where you can adjust your risk settings and entry order settings. Now I am going to explain settings, but this would not be required in case you just want to copy alerts. This would be for advanced user who want to do some risk management. So first setting is symbol. Symbol, there we would have a symbol name for which we want to enter settings. In case we pass common in symbol name, it means these settings would be applied for all symbols. Let's understand this from example. Let's say we want to buy 100 stock for all the symbols, but in case of Amazon we want to buy 10 stock. We would be define common setting, in there we would put quantity as 100 and for Amazon we would put D as 10. Next is order type. Order type, this would be order type market or limit. This would decide what kind of order to place for buy, sell and close. In case of market order it would place market order, and in case of limit order it would be limit order on price from TradingView. Next is quantity and quantity type. Quantity type, there we have quantity type. First is dollar value, so there we would place the dollar amount which we want to trade, and it would calculate quantity and place that quantity. For example, we place $10,000 and let's say stock is at 100, then it would place 100 quantity for that stock. Second is percentage, there it would be calculating percentage from buying power and would calculate quantity from that. Let's say your BP is 10,000 and you define 10% in quantity, so it would be placed trade on $1,000. And third is quantity, this would be specify how many share you want to purchase. Quantity, this would be value of quantity type. So if you select dollar value and quantity type, then you are going to put how many dollar you want to trade, for example $10,000. Security type, this could be stock, Forex and future. This bot support copying trade for Forex, futures and stocks, so you can select for what type of trade you want to place, and you can support multiple type of trades as well. Exchange currency settings, we are leaving these settings for advanced use of application. We can leave that for now. Now let's talk about risk settings. Stop loss, we can define stop loss in exact no or in percentage. Let's say our buy entry trade gets filled on $10 and we place stop loss in 2%, then it would place stop trade on $8. If we define an exact no like 0.05, then it would place stop trade 10 minus 0.05 equals 9.95. In case we don't want to place stop loss order, so we can put value as 0. Take profit, We can specify in percentage or exact pips so the entry trade gets filled at $15 and we place take profit in 1%. So it would place exit trade 15.15. In case we don't select in percentage, then it would be in exact no or tick. In case we place take profit value as 0, so take profit order would not be placed. Take profit and stop loss would be OK order, so if one order get filled then other order would be closed automatically. Market on close order, we can attach market on close order as well, so in case neither take profit not stop loss order get filled. So our position would be closed on market close and take profit and stop loss order is going to get cancelled. This market on close order can be placed only in case of stock close position. This is an additional feature which allows you to close all previous positions and cancel open trade before placing next trade. This could be useful in case you want to get BP before placing next trade. Trailing stop, in case we enable trailing stop and put value on percentage, then it would be going to place trailing stop order instead of stop order. And this would be part of OCO group, so if your take profit gets filled it would be cancelled and vice versa. Entry offset, in case you want to add an offset on the limit price which you get from TradingView, so you can specify there. In case you specify offset in negative, it would be as good as market order. If you pass there as 0, then no offset would be used. For example, let's say you get a limit price of $50, side as buy and entry offset is 2%, then your limit order would be $51, and in case of offset minus 2% you would be going to get placed at $49. Duplicate position allow, this feature to avoid taking same direction trade. So if you got buy signal and you are already in the buy trade, then it wouldn't take a new buy trade and vice versa for sell. I saw some TradingView scripts give the same signal multiple times, so it's used to avoid those. So if it's unchecked it would not take new trade if we have some position earlier. Maximum order, this is to restrict maximum no of trade of buy, sell and close can be taken during the day. If that no has been reached it would stop taking new trade. This could be good risk management, so if your script go mad you would not blow up your account. If you put -1 then you can unlimited trade, and you want to stop trading put there as 0. Outside RTH, generally order is allowed to execute in regular trading hour. But this is to allow your trade to be executed outside regular trading hour. Thanks for watching the video. In case you want to add some other features which could be useful to others, we would be happy to add. Please mail me, WhatsApp me to give and know to get this application or some suggestion. We also create high-frequency trading applications and algorithmic trading systems and fix API development, so please contact us for that.